G'day everybody, Mr. D here. You may have seen in the news the controversy surrounding the Danish national cycling team. They taped up their shins and everybody lost their minds. Why? Why is this so controversial? Does it give them an advantage? Is it cheating? We're going to answer these questions and more. Stick around, let's find out. So what exactly happened? The Danish national cycling team, they use kinesiology tape on their shins. Now why is this such a big deal? This kind of tape is used by athletes all the time to help with injuries. So in cycling, there is a sock length limit. As we can see here, it cannot go past a certain height of the shins as part of the rules. This gives everyone an even playing field. So by taping up their shins, is this a genius sports science tactic or is it cheating? Let's have a look at the rules. So the UCI, the Union Cycliste Internationale, they're a governing body of cycling in the world. This is what they say. Items of clothing may not modify the morphology of the rider and any non-essential element or device of which the purpose is not exclusively that of clothing or protection. This is forbidden. This shall also apply regarding any material or substance applied onto the skin or clothing which is not itself an item of clothing. This is where the controversy lies. Is taping the shins breaking these rules? So what possible advantage could this give? So in cycling, it requires many important factors to go right in order to win. Every gram counts, the bikes are super light, made of carbon fibre, athletes need to be a certain weight. Additionally, every tactical move must be done perfectly and every advantage that can be taken legally should be taken. The margin for error and the margin for winning at these events with the most elite riders in the world is tiny. One of the key points in cycling is aerodynamics. The less drag a cyclist has, the faster they go. So let's have a look at aerodynamics quickly. So the definition of aerodynamics is the study of properties of moving air and the interaction between the air and solid bodies moving through it. In our case, it is the cyclist and bike. So the shape and material of any object, a car, plane or a cyclist, determines how aerodynamic it is. The more aerodynamic, the less drag is caused and the quicker the object can go through with less effort. So how exactly does the tape help the aerodynamics of the cyclist? Let's have a look. So the theory behind the tape is to create what's called a trip strip. Now if you've never heard of this, essentially this is what it does. It causes the oncoming air that's coming onto the shins to become turbulent and cling to the rider's leg for longer. This improves aerodynamics. Now again, we may not think that a bit of tape on the shin may do this, but at this level, margins for winning and losing are so small, so everything counts. And that is what is causing the controversy. So, what do you think? Should it have been allowed? Should they be fined or banned for flaunting the rules? Or is sport getting to a point where the rules can't keep up with the rapidly advancing sports science? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What do you think? Thanks very much for watching. In the comments section, let me know what you'd like me to analyse next. And make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks everybody.